In this video, I want to share how to make money online faster and easier, even with no previous experience. If you are trying to build an income online, but not having the success you are hoping for, or if you are looking into getting started online and want to be sure you get started right, this video is for you, so stick with me. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. I've been making money online almost since the beginning of the internet. I've been doing it full-time for over 20 years. And before we get going, can you do me a big favor? If you are new to my YouTube channel, please be sure to click the subscribe button right now and also hit the notification bell too, because I post multiple new videos every week and you'll want to be sure you get the information. Also, I hope you will support my YouTube channel and give this video a thumbs up. Hit the like button also to let YouTube know that this is the kind of content you like. And then lastly, in the comments section, please let me know how you got value out of this video. I love working online, not just for the money that I get paid each week, but for the passive recurring income too. It's pretty cool to get paid months from now for the sales you make each day. But more than the money is the time freedom I create. I'm able to ski most days in the winter and sail most days in the summer, while most people are stuck at their jobs. I'm building a simple online business. It's something almost anyone can do. It is the fastest and easiest way I've seen to make significant money online in very minimal time too. It's an affiliate marketing business. Affiliate marketing is where you sell someone else's product or service and get paid a commission. People all over the globe are having success with us in just a few hours a week. And what's really cool is that time can be put in whenever it's convenient for you. You do not need to be at home or sitting at a desk. You can literally do this while you're at the beach, watching TV, or playing with the kids. I even do it while I'm out sailing. Here's what makes it so simple and fast and why it is my #1 recommended income stream. We promote a unique, high-converting offer that almost sells itself. Many new people make money their very first day. This business pays out big commissions on a weekly basis, and like I said, pays recurring income too. I love getting paid by direct deposit every Thursday. No long commission holds, no waiting for a check in the mail. Our business is all done online and mostly automated. We provide you with a simple yet powerful marketing system that really leverages your time. I will show you how you can create a full-time income in as little as 30 minutes a day. The key to making money fast is our unique quick start strategy, where we teach you how to start making money before you set anything up, before you even learn anything. I've never seen anything like it for making money fast. And it's just part of our extensive training program. We have the very best training in the home business industry. We do live training calls on Zoom each day. We have a detailed online training website with dozens of how-to videos, and we have a great Facebook group where we share ideas with each other and answer questions. You will love being part of our online community. Plus, when we team up, I will mentor you personally. Nothing will be left to chance. I will share everything that has helped me be successful. You'll never wonder about what to do next. Success is so much easier when you have someone to show you the way. Imagine what it will be like when that someone is an industry leader with decades of experience. So if you're ready to make money online faster and easier, this is it. To learn more about our simple business and start making money today, take our online tour at makemorefaster.com. Again, that's makemorefaster.com. Go ahead and check it out. We'll talk soon.